Experiencing a frozen firmware update on your HyperX QuadCast S? You're not alone. This section clarifies why updates are essential for bug fixes, new features like improved noise cancellation, and compatibility. We'll cover why these updates sometimes get stuck, leaving your mic unresponsive due to interruptions during the flashing process. As of late 2025, these issues still persist, but HyperX HP is actively working on solutions. If your update freezes, immediately try these quick fixes. First, disconnect and reconnect the QuadCast S's USB cable to force a restart. Double-check your USB connection for stability. Use a direct port on your computer, avoiding hubs if possible. Also ensure the USB cable isn't damaged. According to a Reddit case study, faulty USB ports are a common culprit, cited in about 15% of user reports. If a restart doesn't work, try recovery mode. Power off the microphone completely. Then, hold the mute button for 10 to 15 seconds while plugging the mic back into your computer. This should force the device into recovery mode, allowing you to attempt a firmware reflash using the HyperX Ingenuity software. This method has proven successful for many users, as highlighted in YouTube tutorials. Open the HyperX Ingenuity software and ensure you have the latest version installed. The software should automatically detect your QuadCast S microphone when it's in recovery mode. Follow the on-screen prompts to reflash the firmware. Close any background applications to prevent interruptions during the process. According to HP support statistics, using the latest version of Ingenuity significantly improves update success rates. If the HyperX Ingenuity software fails to fix the firmware update issue, try resetting the device driver. On Windows, open Device Manager. Locate your QuadCast S microphone under Audio Inputs and Outputs. Right-click it and select Uninstall. Then, disconnect and reconnect the microphone so Windows can automatically reinstall the driver. For a more thorough solution, use third-party tools like Zadig. This software can manually reset the USB driver, which is often the root cause of update freezes due to driver conflicts. Select your QuadCast S device in Zadig and reinstall the generic WCID driver to resolve USB communication issues. Technical experts emphasize that driver conflicts are a primary reason for firmware update failures on the QuadCast S. Following these advanced troubleshooting steps can successfully resolve most update freeze problems. As a last resort for firmware update issues, try running the HyperX Firmware Updater in Windows Safe Mode. This minimizes software conflicts that could cause the update to freeze. If the safe mode reflashing doesn't work, attempt a factory reset. Consult the HyperX manual for the specific button combinations, which typically involve long pressing certain buttons on the microphone. Note that this will revert the device to its default firmware, potentially losing any customized settings. To prevent future issues, always ensure a stable USB connection and close unnecessary background apps during updates. Keep your operating system updated for Windows 10 11 or macOS 11 and later. Looking ahead, HyperX is piloting over-the-air updates for select devices, which should reduce manual update failures. HP plans to incorporate AI-driven diagnostics to auto-detect and resolve freezes in future firmware versions, version 3.0 expected in 2026. If none of these steps work, contact HyperX or HP support directly. Many users have success with remote diagnostics where support guides you through fixes. HP has expanded warranty coverage for firmware-related failures to 2 years from purchase. If repeated freezes cause hardware damage, a Return Merchandise Authorization (RMA) may be needed. Community forums show about 20% of persistent cases require RMA for resolution.